In this video, I will show you how you can set up a second Face ID on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. As you can see, we have already set up Face ID on our iPhone. But if you want to set up a second Face ID, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. From here, just enter your lock screen passcode. Now on this page, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option to set up an alternative appearance. Now just tap on this option, and from here just tap on Get Started. Now just place your face in the camera frame, then rotate your face so that the Face ID sensor can scan your face. Just like that. Now once you have scanned your face using Face ID, then tap on Setup Later, and tap on Done. And this is how you can set up a second Face ID on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.